Welcome to 50 Wolseley Road in Point Piper, a breathtaking sanctuary where luxury meets serenity. This stunning property boasts panoramic views of the Harbour Bridge and Opera House, with a remarkable 25-metre water frontage and your very own private slipway, offering unparalleled access to the water directly on Australia's most expensive street. Imagine waking up in a home designed for ultimate comfort, featuring 3 levels, all of which are easily accessible by lift. Every living space and bedroom offers spectacular vistas, allowing you to savour the beauty of the harbour from the moment you rise. The sunken family lounge and an adjoining retreat, complete with a wet bar and wine cellar, provide the perfect setting for relaxation and entertaining guests. This property goes beyond aesthetics. It embodies a luxurious lifestyle. Enjoy 4 lavish en-suites, a soothing steam room, and an indoor spa that boasts serene views of the harbour. The heated pool and adjoining pool house are perfect for hosting gatherings, while multiple terraces ensure ample space for outdoor entertaining. Plus, a DA by renowned designer Bruce Stafford is already in place for an upper extension, presenting a remarkable opportunity in one of Sydney's most prestigious addresses. Experience the ultimate Sydney dream at 50 Wolseley Road in Point Piper, where comfort, luxury, and stunning vistas await.